Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your business assets with BNY Mellon. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing the situation regarding your business assets. Identify which assets are lost or at risk. Gather all relevant documentation related to your assets. Contact BNY Mellon's customer service for initial guidance. Explain your situation clearly to the representative. Make sure to provide any necessary account information. Request detailed information on the recovery process. Follow any specific instructions provided by BNY Mellon. Prepare to submit any required forms or applications. Ensure that all documentation is complete and accurate. Keep track of all communications with BNY Mellon. Follow up if you do not receive a timely response. Understand the potential timeframes for asset recovery. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested. Explore other support options offered by BNY Mellon. Review any fees that may be associated with the recovery process. Stay informed about your case status during the recovery period. Once your assets are recovered, review your records carefully. Implement preventive measures to safeguard your assets in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.